Today I want to go through the organs. So the 5 major and minor organs that connect to your 5 elements are located throughout your torso mainly. So through tapping, body tapping, you can access and stimulate those organs and the surrounding tissue. And through the sound, you can create a vibration that'll also move into this part of the body. So this can be done standing or seated. If you're getting really tired of standing, you can do it seated. If you're able to stand a little longer, that works too. If you're standing, you can do a horse riding stance. So your feet are a little wider and knees are bent. This will take the pressure off your upper body. All right, so we'll go through our 5 healing sounds. Start with the lungs. So use your fingertips and tap all around your lungs and your chest. Tap right below your collarbones. You can even tap into your sternum. All around. Take some deep breaths. In and out. Now the healing sound for the lungs is either a S or a Z. So you can say S, like a snake hissing. Or to create a little bit more vibration, make a Z sound like a skill saw cutting through wood. And it's okay to close your eyes. It may help you feel the sensations of the vibration a little more. Fill the lungs. There's also several ways you can do the tapping. So the fingertips are kind of a light way of doing it. You can also do it with a fist, a little bit stronger, or a cupped palm, a little bit more broad. So there's lots of different ways, and you can also do a cat's paw where you make your fingers into a little point and then you tap, and that gives you a light but direct tapping technique. So just find the tapping technique that works for you. Zzz, with each breath, make this healing sound zzz, or zzz, and tap around the lungs. The lungs are meant to release grief, sadness. They're connected to that emotion. You can play around with the tone and the pitch of the sound too. Okay, now slowly stop and just open your palms, plant your feet, breathe. And notice what you feel. Notice the sensations there. Deep breath. Sometimes you don't notice the effect until afterwards. So notice it now. Breathe. Very good. Next one we're going to go to is your kidneys. And because these are hard to reach, located in your lower back, you can either bend your knees and fold over and tap around. Usually a palm is the best way to get there. Although it may be easier if you do this seated, and then you can really fold further and you're not as distracted by keeping your balance. So you can stand and do it, or you can sit, tap your kidneys as high up on your back as you can. The sound is Shri. C-H-R-E. Shri. Instead of the palms, you can also turn the hand around and just tap with the backs of your hands. That can be a little easier on the shoulders. One bonus if you're working out with another person is one of you can just tap the other and then you switch. So if you have another person there, you can take turns. When I was in Korea doing some Qigong training, I would see people in the park against a tree just tapping it like this, tapping their kidneys on the tree, or just walking around and just randomly tapping their kidneys. It's very normal there. Shri. Your arms might need a break. Take a break if you need. Shri. If your arms need a break, just shake them out and then start again. All right, now put your hands on your kidneys, palms pressed to your back, and just stay there. Close your eyes and breathe. Breathing out. Let that warmth penetrate the kidneys. The water element tends to be cold and damp, so sending this warmth will help balance it. Send the heat to your kidneys and lower back, your adrenal glands. And rubbing your lower back. All right, hope your kidneys are a little happier. That might be the most attention your kidneys have gotten all week, right? We kind of ignore our organs, don't we? The hair, skin, and nails get a lot of attention, but vital organs, they're kind of second-class citizens. They're doing little things like keeping us alive, but anyway, we'll give them a little more attention in our class, right? All right, next one, liver. So on your right side, below your ribs here, is your liver. You're in the side kick, the gallbladder. There's a few ways you can do it. If you're wanting to start off lightly, you just tap with your fingertips. If you're wanting to go a little deeper, you make palms. And if you're wanting to go even deeper, you make a fist. And you tap around that liver on the right side. The sound is Shu, S-H-U. Shu. Bend your knees, squat down to horse riding so your upper body can stay relaxed. When you tap, you might get tense, so shake it out if it starts tightening up. Shoo. Make a vibrant sound. Feel the resonance and the vibration of your voice going into the organs. Shoo. Shoo. Visualize the organ becoming lighter, brighter, functioning well. Your liver has over 500 functions. Shoo. Just like if you don't brush your hair for a couple weeks, or if you don't wash your skin for a few weeks, you can tell the difference, right? Just giving your liver, your organs, some more attention, some more energy, some more circulation is going to help it. Shoo. One more deep breath. Shoo. All right. Let your hands rest on the liver, right side. Breathe. Send that warmth into your organs. Send your appreciation, your gratitude for these vital organs, keeping you alive, but also making life worth living, make life comfortable, healthy. You can't go to the hardware store and buy a new liver. Sending your appreciation for this incredible organ. Good, and rubbing and massaging. All right. So now we're going to move to the stomach, the earth element, the spleen and stomach on your left side. So same thing, you can tap with a light fist, open palm, or fingertips. You can squat in horse riding stance, or you can sit on a chair or couch if you want. The other real benefit to chanting or to making sounds is when you sustain the sound, what happens to your breathing? Your breathing gets slower and longer. So as you make the sound whoo, W-H-O, whoo, however long the sound is, that's how long your breath is. So this is actually a breathing exercise as well as a healing sound. Send that warmth and energy to your stomach and spleen. Left side. Relax your belly. Don't tense up. Relax as you tap. Play with different tones and pitches. See what vibration really seems to resonate today. One more deep breath in. Letting go of anxiety and worry in the stomach and spleen. All right, now rubbing. Let your hands rest on the left side, spleen and stomach. Breathe deep. Feel the warmth penetrating the organs. Visualize the stomach organ, the spleen. Just like your muscles benefit from massage, so do your organs. All right, rubbing clockwise. All right, we got one organ left. Do you know what it is? It's our heart. Yes. So this is a fun one. So I saved the best for last. So you can open your feet and you're going to tap your chest. All right, maybe a little bit to the left, but aim for the sternum, the bone, the xiphoid process right in the center of your chest. Fingertips, fist, or palm. And the sound here is ha. Ha. Now, if you remember the 5-element theory, what emotion is related to the heart? The fire element is happiness and joy. So, ha! It's what you do naturally when you feel happy. You go, ha, 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 and you laugh, right? So, we're going to do a exercise. It's called laughing for no reason. So, for 30 seconds, you're going to laugh as loudly and ridiculously as you can. And I can't hear any of you, so I'm just going to assume you're laughing with me, okay? For 30 seconds, you're going to tap your chest and you're going to laugh. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You can do an evil laugh if you want. Oh, my cat looks very concerned. All right, 5 more seconds. All right, good. And now just say ha, 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 ha. Nicely done. All right. Press your hands to your chest, big smile, breathe. And exhale. Feel that warmth in your chest, breathe. All right, next time we do that, I'm going to unmute everybody. That'll be more fun, right? So again, you can try this at home, anytime you like. You can lighten things up. Take a deep breath, big smile. Sweep down. So those are the 5 healing sounds. Now, the important thing isn't so much the sound has some magic power, it's the vibration itself, the intention itself has the ability to bring you into alignment, to bring your mind to your body, to relax you. There can be certain qualities to the sound that are also important, but it doesn't matter if you forget the sound. Any sound really is better than none. So use sound as part of your healing protocol. It's an amazing tool.